this. So for total, so we are having option of writing SUM sum. Then you can write values, or you can select the range. I'll say D2 to D5. I need a summation to be done. So I'll say enter. So this formula will be placed for calculation. So it gives the calculation summation, and parallelly, if some similar values are available, it will go for summation for rest. You do have option of getting to auto sum here on corner, on top side corner. The auto sum is there. If you click auto sum, it take the summation of above list. Condition is that we should not have any gap between the values. So auto sum is there. You press enter, it will get summation done. So this is my total. So parallelly, I can get a max, I can get a min, maximum value, minimum value, maximum, minimum. We are having average with this. We are having count with this. So let me write down the formula here. For max, we are using max. We are selecting the range. For minimum, we are writing min, then range. Then for average, bracket, then select the range. Then row count. So let me copy this formula for your reference. I'm putting this single quotes here to make sure that this formula should not be taken as an actual formula. It should be taken as a string, normal basis. Normal text should be considered. Okay. Double click. This copying you should not go for. I'm just going for making this file readable. So you have to write these formulas in place of values which is available. So we have done the max here, we have done the minimum here, then average is there, then count is there. So we are into a type of counts there. So while you are working on the number data, you can go for count. If you are working on your character based data or text based data, you can go for count A. Because if you go for count here, it won't get the numbers. Count is for numeric values. If you are counting any which is character based values like city, state, country and all, so you can go for count A. So if I write it like count of products, I should go for count A. That's the case. Double click, escape key, single quotes, paste, Control C, Control V.